Describe your first time in one word.
Aray!
Ano ba? Describe your first time in one word.
Can't remember eh.
Ay, hubog.
Wow,
Sige na.
maybe.
One word lang.
Nami.
Describe your first time in one word. Taro ba? Okay. Describe your Describe your first time in Describe your first time in one word.
Okay, one more.
First
I'm
time
falling
ka.
asleep. I don't know anything.
One word lang.
One word lang. One word.
May sumpay yan.
Huwag ka na yun. Saway ka
Sige
na.
na.
Napag Miss Universe ka.
Describe your first time in one word.
Unsa.
You know what I mean?
Ami siya magkuday. Wala mo kinim daw. Imagine pa mag... Eh di aray. Magdita kayo. Aray daw.
What's your question? What's your
Describe your
question?
first time in one word.
It's awesome. Ano lang?
Describe your first time in one word.
Describe my
First time in one word.
first time. Sex? Describe first time. Delicious.
One word.
First time of what? In any first time?
Kapagod.
Okay.
Ito ko mga butangan.
Parehas sa kinaisip ko yung Billy.
Kaya nga. Ang answer is S-H-I-T.
Isa.
S-H-I-T ang answer.
Describe your first time in one word. First. Siya. Ara siya. Virgin. Your first time in one word. Deep. So deep. Mola ko nalagay kay pangutanag eh. Kalala. Tingna uy. Ano mga Tina girl, pangutanan ako. Describe your first time in one word. Your first time in one word.
My first time.
In one word.
Ano yung first time?
Unsay mamunaw naan?
Describe ito?
Your first time in one word.
First time.
Nakiling. I'm excited. Describe your first time in one word.
First time saan?
Yun.
Anong yun? I wanted love. I'm sorry. I'm still 18 and I'm still a virgin, so I can't answer your question. Next question.
Describe your first time in one word.
Sa disled ako?
Your first time in one word.
In one word? First time si triple ba?
I like it.
Describe your first time in one word.
Kunidong awesome daw.
One word.
Ano man na?
In
one word.
Describe your first time in one word.
First time? One word. Nadia?
I have a question. Describe your first time in one word.
Giling daw sa mga.
Okay, describe your first time in one word.
Ano ginaikap di ba? Hindi na.
Ay, lang noy.
Sige lang, good. Gone for fun lang man eh. Sige na, describe your first time in one word.
My?
Your first time.
First time? Very exciting.
Okay.